Let's see slicing. Slicing means process of extracting a substring from a string. Syntax for slicing: string underscore variable within square brackets start index colon end index colon step size. Let's see an example without step size. String underscore variable equal to subscribe. Now I want to print sub in subscribe. Slicing equal to string variable within square brackets start index is 0 colon end index is 3 means takes from 0 to 2 indices. Remember, 3 index is not included. Again saying 3 index is not included. Now print slicing. See, the output is sub. Here while slicing string underscore variable, instead of 0 you can left it as empty. See this. Slicing equal to string underscore variable within square brackets start index is empty colon end index is 3. Now print slicing. See now output is sub. Now if you want to print entire string, you can follow two procedures. One is giving start index and end index, like slicing equal to string variable within square brackets 0 colon 9. Now print slicing. See, the output is subscribe. Second procedure is giving empty in start index and end index, like slicing equal to string underscore variable within square brackets empty colon empty. Now print slicing. See, the output is subscribe. Slicing with step size. Step size means if we want to ignore any letters in between in a string. For example, I want to ignore one letter after printing one letter. Let's see how to do it. String underscore variable equal to subscribe. Slicing equal to string underscore variable within square brackets start index is 0 colon end index is 9 colon step size is 2. Now print slicing. See, the output is SBCIE. After printing one letter is ignored.